Hi there guys and God's good evening to each and every one of you. How are you all doing? I supposed to watch Topak, but time didn't permit me at all. That's why I'm gonna give you the reviews for this one that I've seen on the first day, this December 25, 2024. But for that, let me show it to you the other standee poster for this one. It's connecting. Okay, see that? And of course, I just want to thank the Lord for all the blessings that He gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, February, Sindora, Bebechichen, and Kia. Okay, yeah. And to all my first viewers, I'll never get tired of my pastor pieces. Thank you so much to every one of you. And also to all my silent subscribers and to all my Facebook viewers. Okay, thank you so much. And of course, to my 13 lovely countries. Philippines on the number 1, followed by on the number 2. United States, South Korea, Mexico. What's this? India, Uzbekistan, Indonesia, Russia, Italy, United Kingdom, Brazil, Canada, and Germany. Guys, let's not hold this back. You know what? I really love this movie because it's a fun-filled, funny, hilarious, lots of comedy scenes, not boring, fast-paced, lots of moral lessons and good values. You know what? Before that, guys, one last. I'm gonna introduce to you the main cast. The cast. MC Moi, Lassie Marquez, guys, sorry. Please bear with me. Just some stretching. Gladys Reyes, Eugene Domingo, 2 kids, introducing Vice Ganda, of course, Marisa Cal and Ahirin, Anthony Jennings. Introducing also Kulot Kaponpon, John Hilario, Maludi Guzman, and Kokoy De Santos. The first 15 minutes made in this film shot in Taiwan, and some of the internal scenes I think done here in the Philippines. But anyway, and there are some surprise element and some unpredictable scenes. You know what, guys and gals? I think Vice Ganda can now be ready to face another challenge on his career, to accept his imperfections. If he really knows that he is a good actor, I think he can take it off all his wigs and then show to the public, show to the fans that whether you love me or not, accept me as for who I am, love me as who I am, as an actor or as a host or whatever, a performer. You know what, guys, if you're really a good one, either you have imperfections, fans, people, moviegoers will accept you no matter what, right? Just like in Hollywood, Morgan Freeman, lots of awards, Bruce Willis, already bald, but I'm not, putting them down, just telling the things, the reality. And then, the story tells about the family, the siblings war, the insecurities of one another, and some hidden agendas they made, the lies, the fooling your own siblings, your own sister, your own brother, and telling lies, fabricating stories, and a story of an OFW who really works hard on Taiwan just to give green pasture to his family, but some unexpected happens. Lots of something happened, and then the trouble happens. How do you call the thing? Sorry, it's in my mouth. It's in my tongue. conflicts. And I also love the acting of each character, especially the Malu, no, Malu, yeah, of course. You know what? One of them are, one of them, each of them, all of them gave intensity in every scenes, in every character, especially the last few moments of the movie. It's really, they prolong the confrontations, the throwing of dialogues. Guys and girls, you will clap for Eugene Domingo because she's so extremely, how do I call it? She got this, sorry. Eugene Domingo, some kind of extreme acting that she gave, and Vice Ganda level up his acting. And the one of the moral story that I've learned from here, that although I really know that if you're in a family, especially the siblings, always unite. If there's a problem, talk about the problem. Do not face back one another. Be honest as always. That's one more thing. And do not fabricate stories for you to succeed in life, for you to achieve your own goals. And you know what, guys and girls, each character made some twist for the movie, made a major impact, especially with Marisa Cal. She made a twist for the story. Eugene Domingo also made a twist on the story, and also Anthony Jennings added flavor to the story, and Cocoy de Santos. You know what, guys and girls, there's a shining moment supposed to be for Cocoy de Santos. How come that they didn't show some flashbacks for Cocoy de Santos or for some revelations on his characters, on his character? But I'm not gonna divulge, guys and girls. And what I don't like for Vice Ganda, that when well, I guess he's not yet ready to cry, but he cries just like something to that effect. If I want him to, when he cries, comes from the heart, and he will burst into tears. It splatters and it flows like a river or overflowing fountain, something to that effect. And there's also a two character wherein they kiss each other. I want on that particular scene that it should be intense story because they miss each other. That's why. So they shouldn't just hold each other or embrace each other. But I want it story. But I think they didn't make it because there are kids watching. That's why. Also, it's a given. It's a given thing. And I also expect for a slapping scene between Gladys Reyes and Vice Ganda. I keep on waiting for that scene, but it didn't happen. So that's why I felt disappointed. And even Eugene Domingo and Vice Ganda. Sorry, guys. This may be a spoiler alert, but I just want to share it with you because I'm some kind of disappointed. But it's a good shot. Made a very, very perfect, splendid shot, splendid scenes. But there are some moments that he did some, what's this, batok or something to, I forgot the term for in English in batok. It's not a slap. That's what I'm waiting, the slapping each other faces. And what else? Also, Jong Hilario, he made a remarkable role in here. All of them, guys and girls, even the kids made a remarkable impact, remarkable how do I call it? Remarkable roles. And what else? It's really fun. I enjoy watching for this one. And Joel Torre also made a remarkable one. Without Joel Torre, the story wouldn't made. And what else should I say about this movie? I think am I forgetting? Please hold on, guys and girls. I love the confrontation scenes, and I think I already said all in all. But, well, anyway, just in case I forgot something or whatever, I'll just add on my next upload, okay? Am I seeing the right point of view? Are you sure? Okay. I think that would be all for now, guys and gals. So it's a recommendable one, and you're gonna enjoy this movie. But for now, thank you so much for the time and effort that you gave on my channel, for the love and affection. Always like, share, and subscribe. Hendrik say, hey. Thank you so much. Bye for now.